So basic logic gates here. So basic logic gates have three types. Not same thing. We studied operators, same procedure, same methodology, only small different. Not gate, or gate, and gate, and other gates we have. So we'll study one by one. Gates are electronical circuit that operates on one or more signals, produce an output signal. Already we studied true, false. True means voltage, high means, sorry, false means low voltage, like that we studied. So here we'll discuss one by one. Inverter gate means not operator, not gate. So same thing. Inverter gate is a gate with which only one input signal, the output state is always opposite to the input. So only one signal means one variable, that's all. See here, x only allowed. In the truth table also we studied only one value, x. X value equal to 1, x dash equal to 0. Suppose x plus y equal to 0, x plus y bar equal to 1. So the whole thing has one value, the whole thing bar has another opposite value. That's all. Only one value will be processed using this NOT gate. See the table. If the x is low, x bar is high. If the x is high, x bar is low. Here another important term is we have the symbol, gate symbol for each gate. So first one is NOT gate symbol is, this is the NOT gate symbol. This is the NOT gate symbol. As you know that only one input will goes, it come, output will come opposite. So if the input is x, output is the x bar. Input is x value is 0, x bar value is 1. If the x value is 1, x bar value is 0. So opposite answer you will get. So when you use this NOT gate, this is the NOT gate, only one input. Okay. Next, OR gate. OR gate has any number of input. Minimum 2 input we have. Same thing. If the input signal, any one of the input signal is 1, then the output is also 1. Same like OR operator. What is OR operator? If any one condition is true, the entire condition is true. Here also they are saying if any one condition instead of condition they said signals. If any one signal is 1, that is high, then the entire condition is also high. See here we have two input. First input signal is 0, that is low. Second input signal is again 0, answer is also 0 using the OR operator concept. Same thing. Then here 0 plus 0, then 1, then the OR gate operator is 1. 0 plus 1. For your understanding, you can take it 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, like OR operator you can for remind. But the original concept is the signal 0 is low, 1 is high. So low plus high is equal to high only. Okay. For 3 tables, you know that 3 tables we have 8 combinations. So the 8 combinations we have to draw first. First one is 2 to the power of 0. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 1 time 0, 1 time 0, 1 time 0, 1, like that. Second one is 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 time 0, 2 time 1. 2 time 0, 2 time 1. Then here 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. 4 times 0, 4 times 1. So just you have to write this 3 combinations. Then OR gate. What is OR gate? If any one input is 1, the entire answer is 1. Here, see here, one answer is 1. Here, this row, this third row, 1 is there, answer is 1. Fourth one, 1 is there, answer is 1. Fifth one, so any combination, the combinations, if you have any one, the answer is also 1. Because suppose third one, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0 is also 1, the answer. Okay. Same OR operator concept. Here, the gate symbol, not gate symbol is, this is the not gate symbol. But here OR gate symbol is something different. This is the OR gate symbol. OR gate has minimum 2 input, X value, Y value. If 2 input will come, the answer is X plus Y. This is called OR gate answer. So if X value is 0, Y value is 0 means 0 plus 0 answer is 0. If the X value is 1, Y value is 0, answer is X value is 1 plus Y value is 0. 1 plus 0 is answer is 1. Same procedure. So another example, OR gate input X, Y, Z. X value is 1, Y value is 1, Z value is 0. So the output is 1 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. Output is 1. So how we will write in terms X plus Y plus Z is 1. Like that you can find. Next, AND gate. AND gate is based on the multiplication. AND gate is if both the signals are high, then only the answer is high. If both the signals are true, then only the answer is true. If both the signals are 1, then only the answer is 1. See here, 1, 1, the answer is 1. Remaining thing, you will get 0. Here also the same. In the 3 tables, see here, 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 is there, that's why 1. Remaining thing, you will get 0 only, because 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 into 0 will become 0. Like that, you can multiply first 2, then answer with next one, you will get 0 only. Okay. Now the gate symbol is, for OR gate, NOT gate, this is the symbol. For OR gate, this is the symbol. NOT is only one input, OR is more than one input. Same thing in the AND gate, you have the symbol is, this is the symbol for AND gate. Same thing, but only thing is, suppose 2 values X into Y, that output will come as multiply X into Y. This will be the output. So I will write using the numbers. If the AND gate has 2 input X, Y, if the X value is 0, Y value is 1, the answer is X dot Y, the answer is 0, because 0 multiply with 1, answer is 0. Suppose if you get another one, Z is also 1. 1 into 0 dot Z, you can add. 1 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 0 into 1, again you will get 0. Okay. So this is the AND gate symbol and truth table and the definition. Then not only AND gate, we have few other gates called NOR gate. NOR gate is something called inverted OR gate. Inverted means you will get the opposite result of OR gate result. Suppose in the OR gate, this is the OR gate. OR gate. Suppose I give X, Y. What is the answer? OR means plus, X plus Y. When I put NOR means, this NOR will get opposite answer, that is bar. Suppose X value is 1, Y value is 0. Here X plus Y, 1 plus 0, answer is 0. But this is OR gate. But NOR gate, you will have one bubble here. Now the answer is not 0. The statement you have to write is bar. Answer is not 0. Now it is 1. Opposite answer of OR gate. So see here the symbol, pictorial representation. You can write like this or like this, because this is the OR symbol. One will answer you will get. Suppose if it is 0, say for example OR, here also 0, it is X value, 0, it is Y value, 0 plus 0, X plus Y, it is 0. But inverter OR gate. OR gate inverter means what? Opposite to the OR. So opposite answer what will get? NOT gate. If you use NOT gate, you will get opposite answer. So the output is 0 as an input. The output will become 1. That is what they have written here. See, this is the original meaning. You can write like this, or else simply you can put a small bubble here. Then it will become the same like the previous one. Okay. So this is called NOR gate. See here. See the truth table. Actually, OR means 0 plus 0 is 0 only. But in the NOR gate, it is opposite answer of OR, it is 1. The next 0 plus 1 is 1, but it is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, but it is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, but it is 0. So opposite answer of OR gate. Like that, you have to write 3 tables. The NAND gate, same thing, the opposite answer of AND gate. So here, if all the inputs are 1, then the output produce 0. See here, see the truth table. Actually, AND means multiply. 0 into 0, it is 0 into 0 is 0, but the answer is 1. That's why we say the NAND gate is inverted AND gate. Inverted means opposite of AND gate. So 0 into 1, 1. 0 into 1, 0. Answer is 1. 1 into 0, 1 into 0, 0, but answer is 1. 1 into 1, 1, but answer is 0. So invert and opposite result of AND gate you have to write. Same thing here, the AND gate symbol is, this is the symbol of AND gate, but here we are studying NAND gate. So this is the bubble you have to add. This is the output. Okay. Bubble you have to, this is the NAND gate symbol. Minimum 2 input. Suppose if the x value is 0, y value is 1. Value is, this is and opposite and, so x dot opposite and opposite and dash symbol, you will get the answer. So x dot y is 0 into 1, 0, the dash is there, so answer is 1. See here, check with the table, 0 1, 0 1, answer is 1. 0 1, second line, 0 1, answer is 1. Okay. Then XOR gate. XOR gate, XOR gate has 2 or more inputs, same thing. XOR gate is different from OR gate. Opposite to OR gate is NOR gate. But XOR gate, see, OR gate produces 1 if the combination has more number of 1s. Any 1 is there if the entire condition is true. But XOR produces 1 only the input combination that have odd numbers of 1. Odd numbers of 1. Odd numbers means what? 1, 3, 5. So suppose odd numbers of 1, x, y, z. Suppose 0, 0, 0. Suppose 0, 0, 1. See here, totally 3 combinations. Here only 1 is there. Only 1, 1. So odd number of 1. So answer is 1. The next one, 1, 0, 1. Now how many ones are there? 1, 2. 2 ones are there. 2 is even number. So the answer is not 1, it is 0. So we'll check with the truth table. See here, only odd numbers of 1. Only 1, 1 is here. So answer is 1. Only 1, 1, answer is 1. So here 2 ones are there. So 2 ones, answer is 0. In the 3 tables, you know how to write the 3 table values. Now only 1 is there, answer is 1. 0, 1, 1, only 1, 1 in this combination, so answer is 1. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 2 ones are there, so answer is 0. Then 1, 0, 0, only 1, 1 is there in this combination, so answer is 1. Then the last 3 ones are there. 3 is also odd number, so answer is 1. Then here 1, 1 0, two ones are there in this combination, so answer is 0. So in the single combination, the number of one should be a odd one, odd count. Okay, so the symbols for XOR gate is, listen carefully, this is R symbol, this is NOR symbol, you got one, add one, this is XOR symbol. Okay, now XNOR gate produces 1 if the combinations has even number of 1. XOR gate follows NOT gate of inverter. See here, XOR gate, in this combination 0 0, then answer is 1. Even number of, see the producer, see the output produce 1, only those combinations have even number of ones. Next one, so even number of ones, where is the even number of ones are there? So except odd number of ones, you can make it remaining everything is even combination. So even number of ones, put 1. Here there is no odd number of 1, it is 0 0 only, so we can take it as even combination. Even, it even means same combination, that is called same, so it is 1. So here 0 0 1, then here even combination, two ones are there, even combinations. So here only 1 1, where is the 1 1? 0 1 0, so only 1, it is odd 1, so it is 0. The last even combination, so it is 1. Here 1 1 1, so 3 ones are there, it is odd combination, so it is 0. So this is the truth table. And the symbol, suppose XNOR symbol, okay, I will tell you deep. R NOR XOR, then X, see here, XOR XNOR. XNOR has bubble. R NOR XOR XNOR. So like that, you have to differentiate the gate symbol. So now, just this is the pictorial representation. And gate, and means multiply. So A value, B value as a input, then A multiply with B, AB. Then R, A, B value is a input, then A plus B will be the result. Not only one input for NOT gate, not A. So A is the, suppose NOT gate input can be A plus B. Addition of this two value is will be the input. You will get the output is A plus B whole power. Now AND over, OR over, NOT over, then NOR. This is the NOR. A plus B, opposite answer of A plus B is A plus B bar. NAND AB, opposite of AB is AB bar. XOR ER, it is XOR. XOR symbol is, this is the symbol for XOR. XNOR is opposite to XOR value. So this is very important diagram. Okay, this is very important diagram. Now the question is, now this is the question actually, draw the logic circuit for the following expression. For this they will give expression AB plus B dash C plus C dash A dash. This is the expression. For this expression we have to convert this expression into diagram, circuit diagram. Okay, So I am going to draw this. See, this is the solution. First, just I'll take AB alone. AB, AB. It is multiplied. So what symbol you have to use? And symbol. Okay. So A, B will go input and symbol. Then answer is AB. They mentioned that. Answer is AB. Okay, now AB is over. Then B dash C, second one. B dash C. Now what is the expectation? B dash C. In between multiply. So what are the things are multiplied? B dash multiply with C. Multiply means what? And gate. Dash means what? Not gate. So B is here. I take this B and give this B into not gate, then it will become B dash. Again I repeat, B is there. If I give this B in not gate, it will become B dash. Then again I take C and give in the AND gate. So what is multiplied? B dash and C is multiplied. That is what they have done here. B give in the NOT gate, it will become B dash. Then here C comes, so B dash C is multiplied. Then third one, C dash A. Finally you have to add everything, C dash A. So C is here. Then if we give inside C, inside the NOT gate, it will become C dash. Then C dash A is there. If we give NOT gate, it will become A dash. So two inputs will go. Then AND gate is a multiply symbol. When you come outside, it will become C dash A. Now AB is okay. B dash is ready. C dash is ready. Finally, we have to add these three things. For adding what gate being used? OR gate. So I take this AB, B dash, C dash inside the OR gate. Then it will become the result. So OR gate. So here OR gate symbol. Okay. So in this question, first you have to find AB, B dash C, C dash A. Finally you have to add. Okay. So first one is found with here. Second they got. Third one. Then everything is added in this gate. For adding OR gate, for multiplying AND gate. And second example, obtain the Boolean expression for the following logical circuit. Now they will give the circuit. For the circuit, you have to derive the logical expression. Now listen carefully, very important. X, Y, it go inside the NOT gate, so it becomes Y dash. So what is the output? X, Y dash. Now this X, Y dash come outside of the AND gate and go inside NOT gate. What is the output? X dash, Y dash, the whole bar. That's why the first one is okay. Then second one, Z, W. Z is going inside NOT gate. So Z becomes in here Z dash. Here W. What is that? Here it is OR gate. So Z dash plus W. So here it is. Now this is ready. This is also ready. Now finally, what is this? OR gate. So what is the answer for the first one? X plus Y dash the whole bar. Second one, Z bar plus W. Then these two things are added. So here the answer. Okay. So here in the Boolean, you have to study AND gate, OR gate, AND gate, OR gate, then NOT gate. Opposite to OR gate is NOR gate. Opposite to AND gate is NAND gate. Then if it is odd number of 1, it is XOR gate. If it is not odd number, it is even number of combinations. If it is XNOR gate, that is opposite to XOR gate. Okay, thank you.